Glycolysis or AMP pathways. What do you mean about glycolysis? This is the breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid in absence of oxygen. Before we discussing the steps of glycolysis or steps taken in glycolysis, we are learn a term enzyme. When we are study biology in any term like nitrogenase, there is a suffix is, then we are talking about a enzyme. In the glycolysis there is a enzymatic machinery to convert it into pyruvic acid. Now steps of glycolysis. Glucose firstly glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate with the help of enzyme hexokinase, and there is a ATP synthesis as ADP. Then glucose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 6 phosphate, and there is isomerized, and fructose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6 phosphate with the help of enzyme phosphofructokinase, and there is ATP synthesis as ADP. And fructose 1,6 phosphate is converted into triose phosphate or dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is converted into 2 molecule of triose biphosphate with the help of enzyme isomerase and dehydrogenase, and there is NAD is synthesized NADH2, and then 2 molecule of triose phosphate is converted to 2 molecule of triose phosphate, and there is a work of enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase, and there is ADP synthesis ATP, and then 2 molecule of triose phosphate is converted into 4 molecule of phosphoglycerate, and 4 molecule of phosphoglycerate is converted into 2 molecule of phosphenyl pyruvate, and with the help of enzyme analase, and when 4 molecule of phosphoglycerate converted into 2 molecule of phosphenyl pyruvate, there is a loss of water release. 2 molecule of phosphenyl pyruvate is converted into 2 molecule of pyruvic acid, and with the help of pyruvate kinase, and there is ATP synthesis ATP. Always glucose form 2 molecule of pyruvic acid. Glycolysis always takes place in cytoplasm of the cell and is only anaerobic.